Now we will do Adho Mukha Svanasana, downward facing dog. So let's do the tabletop, all 4 position. Very good. So wrist just under the shoulder. So hand should be shoulder width apart. Knee, hip width apart. Ankle and knee should be in one line. Toes completely pointing forward. Now spread the finger. Spread the finger. So you especially pay attention to the mount of the thumbs and index finger. Pressing on the mat completely. Rotate the biceps out. Curl the toes in. And inhale. Extend the knee and send your hip up. Very good. From there, first things you check the distance. So she can go with the more back, but here is like come back again, so its distance is not good. So go a little more forward. So distance should be even from the hip to the wrist and outer hip to the ankle. So now curl the toes in and inhale and exhale, send the hip back. That's better. So first thing is spread the fingers completely. Press the mount of the thumbs and index finger on the mat. Crease of the wrist parallel towards mat. Engage the core. Draw the abdomen in and back. Toes up. Press the anklet back and heels on the mat. While you pressing the anklet in and back, heels completely on down. Lower shin bone back, upper. Thighs completely firm and engaged. Rotate in and back. Now again you focus on the hand. You will inhale. Softly gaze on the ankles, okay? So inhale, you can use your hand on the sacrum. To the student, here, inhale and exhale. Very good. So from there we can lengthen. Otherwise with the cue you can use like press the wrist bone on the mat. Elongate through the outer edge of the arms and upper arms and trunk. Lift the trunk up and tailbone towards the sky. Very good. Gaze soft on the ankle. In the final, hands and legs should be straight. Straighten the arms and leg. Very good. That's better. So first adjustment I told you, you can just use your hand. Yeah, our sacrum and inhale and lower your chest toward the student. Second, you can go back. You just stand outer edge of the feet to the end. Your big toes should touching towards the outer heels, and you will wrap from inside with your both hand and inhale and exhale. Lower the hip. So that. Inhale. Most important, you will take care of the spine. It should be lengthened. And suppose somebody is beginner and they are curving like more open, more in, that way. So you will bend the knee, look forward, bend more. So you can use with the modified way if you want to lengthen to keep bending. Those who are not reaching the heels, they should bend the knee. Okay, inhale, extend in the final. Very good. Inhale, come on. Come back.